Welcome back to the Marketing Ninja Podcast with Manuel Suarez, CEO of Attention-Grabbing Media and author of #1 bestseller, Marketing Magic.
Market research. Market research plays a major role in many areas. Understanding your audience, improving your products and services, learn from your competitors, improve your marketing. There's very few people and businesses on this planet that don't need to do market research. One of those being something like Elon Musk, right? Tesla's. They do their own research because they have technology being developed that doesn't exist yet. But the rest of us, we need to figure out what's happening in the market. Let's go to a few scenarios. So you're ready to research your competitors and see what you can learn from them to improve your own business. I'm going to give it this prompt. Generate a list of my top 10 competitors. This one is mind-blowing, guys. This is like really incredible stuff right here. Very valuable. Based on my company description below, for each one, include the name of the competitor, a description of what they do and offer, a link to their website, links to their social media channels, and what their strengths and weaknesses are. Put all of this into a spreadsheet I can download. After that, include a written summary of your findings and any recommendations you have for me in order to improve my own marketing efforts. And here's the company description right here. Let's see what it does with this. Check this out, man. This is like insane. Okay. It made a PDF already. It made a document that I can download. Let's take a look at that. Let's take a look at this document, an Excel file. It's actually a sheet, right? Like a spreadsheet. Juice Beauty is known for its organic and sustainable whatever. Osea Malibu, Tata Harper, True Botanicals, Herbie Bowl Botanicals, Eminence and Organic Skincare, Pi Skincare, 100% pure, core organics, BioSense. So I got these competitors over here. It tells me the website. Let's say that you wanted to create your own website. Well, how about if you just dive into 10 of them and find out what do you like and what do you don't like? And based on that, get your designer to build you a website exactly like you like. And you have a starting point. The ability to create your own websites in a couple of hours are pretty spectacular right now. Okay, so let's go on with the findings. It was a pretty sophisticated prompt. So I got a very sophisticated response. Summary of findings. After researching the top competitors for natural glow, I identified 10 prominent brands in the organic and beauty and natural skincare market. Here's a summary of each. Juice Beauty, what is the description, the strengths, the weaknesses, and the website. Let's check out the website. Beautiful website. Very nice. You can take a look at that, look at what their products are. I can see they have a pop-up, people opting in with email. They have hair care, makeup. What are their best sellers? Oh, I'm starting to understand what my competitors are doing. Cool. Social media. Let's see. Do they have a YouTube channel? Wow. 28,000 subscribers for a beauty brand. It's very, very good. She has a great brand. And you can see what they're doing with their content. So can you assume what we've seen so far, that this brand is probably doing decent? They have a big following. That's a big YouTube channel with 30,000 subscribers. It's a good channel, okay? Their website is beautiful. They have an e-commerce brand. I have enough evidence to know this is somebody that I want to learn from, okay? Because I'm trying to build my own natural glow brand. And you can see they're doing testimonials. I see African-American lady. I see some white people. So it's not targeting a specific demographic. There's maybe like some anti-aging thing. This is Juice Beauty's brand story. That's the first video. I can see some of those videos, which is going to do what? It's going to start helping me come up with ideas on the type of content that I need to create for this brand. So now I know, oh, in the beauty industry, this is a way to go about it. Let me look at it just to be sure. Let me look at another brand over here. This one over here, the second one, Osea Malibu. Let's look at their website. That's a very nice website. I like the banner. Simple. It's clean. It's very pretty. Body hydration heroes, algae body oil fragrance free, collagen dream night. It's great. This is a great looking brand. Let's see their social media. Let's look at their Facebook. 53,000 likes, 71,000 followers. They're doing a really, really good job. Some of their content right here, displaying the products, gives you an idea of the content that I need to create. Isn't this pretty incredible? Right? Like, so instead of like having to figure it out, what are all the brands doing? I have access to all this data right here. Contact information, website, price range, the whole thing. It's a great product right here. Okay. What else do I got? So the strengths, unique seaweed-based formulations. Wow. You guys know that I'm obsessed with like ocean stuff. This might be the stuff that I need to buy, right? This is it. Maybe you got to buy me some of these products. Seaweed-based formulations, okay? Strong commitment to sustainability and vegan products. Weaknesses, premium pricing, niche market focus. Why niche market focus? Because they're more expensive. They're very expensive. Look at that. $84 for those hydration bottles. $52 algae body oil fragrance free. That's very expensive. That's a different market. I wonder if they're on Amazon. Let me see. Yeah, here they are. It's not as big a market. La Mer sells you 4 ounces of cream for $250. And believe it or not, they sell hundreds of millions of dollars a year. So weakness, I don't know. It depends on what you're after, right? A lot of people buy that product. I'm going to ask right here, how much revenue does La Mer produce a month? It's a very big range, but the reason why it's that big is because it's not a public company and it can't access that data. So it gives you a ballpark figure, estimated. It's a big ballpark, right? But still, being in the billions it's a different category, right? But it gives you an idea that, there's a huge market for even dramatically overpriced beauty creams. Dramatically overpriced. People buy it like crazy. This part right here, this part is extremely important because it really just opens up the inspiration. When you start seeing what other brands are doing, why not find out 20 marketing companies like me? This is your job. Make the website better. Make it more user-friendly. Make it mobile optimized. Make it amazing. Why not do this research? Spend 2 hours studying 20 top marketing firms and what they have and make your notes about what you implement that you learn from those 20 websites. How powerful is that? Is that a good investment of 2 hours of your time? And then you take those 20 notes and you create a document and that becomes your work. And 8 hours a day, when you're producing value for your company that you're getting paid to produce, and you also want to keep growing with that company, you get one of those changes done one at a time. I call that inspiration. Use what others are doing to create your own success.
Hey, thanks for listening. If you enjoyed the podcast, go ahead, leave us a review and subscribe to tune in for future episodes. And if you're looking for a team that'll go above and beyond for you and your brand, go to talktoaninja.com today.